Hi, today I'm going to show you how to properly fold a model rocket parachute. You're going to have to lay it out so that it's in the shape of a pyramid, then fold it carefully in half. Fold it in half again. Fold it over from the top and fold it over once again. This will allow you to fold it once again, wrap the cords around the parachute and tuck it down into the model rocket body tube. Once the nose cone has been ejected during flight, the parachute will come out, air will catch it, and it will open the parachute for a safe descent back to Earth. Now, one thing that will help you with this is to put talcum powder or flour or something like that inside of the parachute as you're packing it. That will keep it from sticking to itself if it's been packed for a while, and it will help it open a lot more smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.